Hi, my name is Dave, and I caught the dip again. I thought it was the low. It was just another wick. Saw it on the 5-minute, heart skipped a beat, formed a little hammer, looked kinda neat. No confirmation, no real bias, but I hit long. Now I'm red in the face, stomach was thin, tape was slow, but something inside said, bro, just go. 20 handles later, it dumped on me. Should have waited for the MHP. Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous. We buy the blood and pray it's bottomish. You win, I'm in, you sure. Too late. Oh, counts. Account liquidated. FOMO strong. My hands are weak. Been wrecked all month now, twice this week. So gather round and sing this song. Knife catching feels so right until it's wrong.
Hey guys, welcome back.
I had dreams of 6-figure P&L. Now I'm just a meme on trading screen. Said I'd wait for structure, said I'd be wise, but that wick, it whispered lies. Twitter told me buy the dip. Discord said volume's legit. I even saw divergence, bro, I swear. Then came the liquidation ping. Stabbed again by the market's blade, another low, another fade. Support is fake, my will is thin, but this next one's gotta win. Right! Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous. Our dreams are bold, our risk preposterous. We fight the flow, ignore the signs, then cry in group when we cross the lines. Charts are red, my soul is too. Accounts in drawdown, deja vu, but we'll be back.
Smashing my lunch down, guys. Sorry about that.
Catching knives till everything is gone. Hi, I'm Dave, and I caught the dip again.
Oh, Dave. Welcome back, guys. All right, let's go. Welcome back, friends, to another exciting adventure of Trading with Matt, live on the Matt Show with Matt. That guy, Matt, trading all the time. Oh, we run it here. Hey, how you doing? All right. Eyeball inches. All right. Oh, fun to next giveaway. All right, what's going on here with this market today? All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get my screen prepped for y'all. Got to get the old. I managed to get my big account close. My big account I'm working on here. Close to 7,300 today in profit. This one I'm working on, well, 5 micros here. Seeing if that guy's gonna take off and do anything good. I hope we finish this day out strong today. Trump talking. Yeah. You beat me in Tradeify? I hope you do, man. And I hope you beat me and you're also on the team. That's all that matters. So remember, no boot camp today, because we don't do any boot camps on Fridays. Y'all take the Friday off and have a good time. IDOC's finally got this project like moving quick. She's on it today, so y'all won't see her today. We're doing a bunch of FaceTime. We're picking out pavers. We got turf. We got fence being built. Girl, are you MHP? Because I'm trying to go long. Oh, that's so romantic. That's how I got my girlfriend. Corny lines like that works every time. Oh, these are my new golf clubs I'm gonna buy. Sound of Simon, if you're here, check it out. I'm gonna get a Titleist GT2 driver, TaylorMade 3-wood and 4-wood hybrid Q35s. 15. I'm gonna do 15 and 22. Probably gonna get Titleist wedges. I'm gonna get T3, probably T250s on the Titleist for clubs. So that's what I'm gonna get. Time for an upgrade. My brother has my clubs and he basically hasn't given them back. He took my clubs with him when he went to he came to my mom's house one time. Took my club. He lives in Kansas. He took my clubs with him to go play golf somewhere, and then he took them home. And then a couple years later, like maybe like a year later, I was like, "Hey, do you have my clubs?" He's like, "Yeah, finders keepers, bro." He's like, "They sat in mom's garage for like a couple years, and you never took them, so they're mine now." And I was like, "Okay, let's get new ones." He's like, "Yeah, I took him to go play with, and mom said you never used them, so she was trying to clean out the garage. I took him." I was like, "All right, keep them." So I'm about to give me a new set. I forgot I had this paper sitting here. Yeah. So I hit that GT2, man. It's nice. You guys ever play on Titleist Titliest? Pretty gorgeous. This one right here. That pretty nice one. Just like some of your brother would do. Your brother took your bike and sold it for all the for pill money. You had to walk him out to the bus stop every day. Relatable. Come on, micros. The little micros that could. Can we get a runner today? Can my 5 micros do some heavy lifting? Give me some love today, micros. It looked like it was gonna run, man. What do y'all think today? Market crash, market good. Range day. The little micros that could. My little 5, my fibers. This is pretty confusing on how this market doesn't really want to go anywhere today. I got excited to see this move, and now it's not wanting to do anything. So I keep that risk low with some macros. Just still room to do anything? I don't know, guys. I'm still filling up. Is that just like me? Am I just being like risky? What do we think? Is the F1 this weekend? I think it's this weekend. Yeah, F1 is always in October. ACL and F1 are usually like back to back in Austin, so ACL was this last weekend. What are my thoughts on Top Step's rules? Top Step is just like sort of becoming like slowly obsolete. Their rules are sort of archaic. Monthly fee, activation fee. It's a pretty decent firm, but FundedX and MyFunded Futures kind of have better payouts for less entry fee. Straight up. You just can't beat that. FundedX, 4 days to pay out. MyFunded Futures Core, you now get $3,000 payout with a $73 fee. I mean, that's pretty crazy. Am I not going to F1? Nah, I'm not. Not going. Oh, my micros are now even and flat. What? 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 You're disappointing me today, micros. There we grab a couple more. Long and in my big account. Let's add some there. Maybe just keep it light with old Uno. Uno Contracto. Dose. Let's do 2. Let's do 2. And I'll add 3 more at 780. Isn't it supposed to close under? Let me give you the stats. I say supposed to. Remember, the market does what it wants to do. We just trade off of statistics. More probable to be below than above, yes. And here are the actual stats in all conditions without confluence. All conditions, no confluence. Oops. Is when you open below, 53% of days stay below, 20% peak and come back down, only 27% break and go. So it's about a quarter of a chance it breaks and goes, and about 75, basically 3/4 of a chance it doesn't. So most days will close below MHP if that's where they started. Yeah. Yeah, gotta slap a fan on that one. Yeah, you know, I'm kind of feeling it. You know, I am kind of feeling we should get a little whoosh fan on this one. Let me I'm gonna slap a fan on that boy there. Let's get it. Sorry I didn't draw the fan earlier. That's not bad, you guys. It was desperately needed. All right, gotta play the song. This is an A+, B+. B+ trade here, A+ trade here. Gamma says long. All right, I'm in it with you, buddy. I'm feeling it. It's about, what is it, 27% chance? 27% of days. I've said you're on the wrong side. 27% of days close above from this situation, 73. Now that's all conditions without confluence. With confluence, we assume that probability goes up a little bit. We don't know the amount because we haven't had enough data to kind of secure that. But all conditions is 27. With confluence, it's expected to be higher. It could be 60-40. That's kind of where our theories lie on this. I grabbed 2 contracts in the big account right here. 2 Nasdaqs here. I got 5 micros in this one. Oh, freaking Trade of 8 just broke again. Fucking stupid shit. I'm sorry I didn't draw the fan earlier, guys. This was my bad. Very nice. I just took that out for profit too. That's 70 points there. I'm gonna hold on to the micros to the end of the day. Or should I, you know what? Let me take profit on the micros. Fully flat, took the profit, calling it. I still have 1 account I haven't touched yet. I've just been inching forward on that one. That one's now up 9,000, which is good. So that's good. What strategy do I trade? I trade the Whoosh fan strategy. All I need is 1 gust and the fear turns to cheer. We use positional risk analysis and order flow and volume prediction using gamma exposure. I find volume pivots. I find volume pivots. I long off of them, short off of them using the flow from here. It's a unique method. I invented it, and I draw fans on my screen sometimes. Here we go. See when I put the Whoosh fan on the screen? Nice little scalp. Yeah, I took profit there. Just like I said, man, this is the market that keeps on giving. It's handing me 70, 80 point rips to NASDAQ every 5 or 6 minutes. Dude, I haven't been in a trade longer than 10 minutes today, I feel like. I swear to God. I've just been in and out. Like I'm getting 80 points. or 70 points. I'm happy with that. Like I could hold it for longer, but dude, this has just been beautiful. Scalpy. Yeah. So this account's almost up to 10. The rest of them are all pretty. The Tradeifys, I'm hitting them light. These are maxed out. And this one I just had the micros on, and I could have held for longer, but I'll keep those light. Damn, seems complicated. Not really. Under the hood, it's complicated, but it's pretty easy on the surface. Volume pivot, long at the pivot, set a stop. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, what's so complicated? It's just a fan. You plug it in, it blows. Like, that's it. Market goes up. Whooshing on the screen. You owe me new nails? I broke your nails with all this paperwork. Yeah, we owe me a new heart because you broke my heart today. With all your meanness. Now we're even. Wait, what kind of work are you doing with the paper? Is they making you lift stuff over there? Wait, they're making you like pick up heavy stuff? They better not be making you lift up anything over there. Why is my code only giving 50% discount on direct to funded? I think it only applies to the expert and the Beginner, isn't that? I don't think that's direct to funded. It's only on. Let me look really quick. Great question. Oh, so expert and beginner. So it's only on the static and one step. It's not on the master. Yeah, so it's only on those two. You have a boot camp or exchange the strategy element? Yeah, we do. So we actually have a boot camp. Basically like halfway through almost. Well, and actually we're like a third of the way through. It started 2 Mondays ago. And we don't start it over again until January. About every 2 or so months, we'll do another boot camp. The strategy is pretty simple. Under the hood, we use very clever ways to find volume. My strategy is predicting volume with 100% accuracy. It's crazy someone can say that. It's never not right at doing that. Volume pivots are found using clever methods. This one is using options exposure for the yellow. The white is based on the opening and closing MOC imbalance. Might things you guys might even care about, but like let us do the heavy lifting, right? This green line is based on margin requirements. When you touch the green line, there's high volume every time. So we're able to predict volume ahead of time, and then therefore from there it just divides the market up in actionable places. I'm not trading anywhere in between. Like today, you guys saw me long there for that trade. On this account that was 2,000. This morning is now 9,000. I've been scalping 40 points long on that all day, just off of a volume pivot. And so essentially we find volume in the index products, then we use confluence with the stocks to decide if the stocks are also supporting the move. And that's basically it. And I have position sizing guidelines here, and then basically a little cheat sheet that shows me the different setups I can take. And it's basically balancing hedging flows with the market. Pretty simple at the end of the day. It's find a pivot, position around it, and that's it. You don't have to do, when I say simple, I mean like the math is simple. As far as a trading perspective goes, it's just find a pivot and then plan out a trade, and then that's it. Under the hood, it's extremely complicated. Yeah, it's complex. That we sort of like figured out Wall Street. Yeah, Kim, you guys can join now and just catch up. After market, we do live sessions for the boot camp, but there's recordings. You can always watch them over the weekend and catch up. Yeah. So I don't have a paid Discord LM. I don't actually, my Discord is actually free. If you are using Rocket Scooter platform, you get access to the Discord. It's not paid at all. It's just closed to the public for non-platform users to keep spam bots and crypto shitheads out. Yeah, like you can't pay to join the Discord. There's no fee for it. Yeah, you can join before January now and just wait for the classes, and you can jump into the current boot camp. You'll just be a couple classes behind. You won a cash prize last week during PW's live stream, but you haven't got it yet. Have I got my prize money? Not yet, but I haven't asked for it either. Pat went on vacation like the day after the tournament. So he's been gone for like a week. And if I know anybody on vacation, he ain't busy with work. And that's why I haven't even bothered him for it. He'll cough it up at some point. I'm in no hurry to grab it. So whenever he's free, last thing I want to ever do is, bug somebody on their vacation. He's a hardworking dude. So if he hasn't hooked you up with your prize, just probably when he gets back. He's been gone for like a week. Can you hold it for me? Yeah, I'm sure I'll get it back, right? Yeah, it's not. He's certainly a man of his word. Despite the theatrics on stream, he's actually a pretty honest person when it comes to that. So, but I get busy and like I forget stuff sometimes. Like I forgot to give out the prizes for the songwriting contest. I didn't forget, but I got busy with the BDH, so I overlooked it. How much is boot camp? It's $1 a class. It's only $20 for the whole month. We want to like make a sort of, we want to disrupt the industry. People ask like, do I do mentoring? No, wait. Hold on. He's asking me a genuine question. Hold on. Yeah, so you only need to spam it like 2 or 3 times so that I see it. You love ETF's huge drawdown and they're direct to fund it. But yeah, thank you. So basically, if somebody spams it too much and the mods remove it, I can still read the message. You love ETF's huge drawdown with the direct to funded master account. Thank you. Yeah, remove messages that are that much. So that way it doesn't clog up chat, but I can actually still see them. The idea is if you want to get my attention, you're supposed to spam it by adding me. That's really like the rule here because I won't see it. So all of you did the right thing and the mods removed it and I get to see the message. See, everybody did the right thing. I love y'all. Okay. ETF's huge drawdown, direct to funded master account, 5 KDD. But is it true you have to trade for 15 active trading days of a minimum active trading day profit for payout of 600? I think it's 600, but I'm not really sure. But yes, that's about right. Yeah, their ATD rule is one of their hurdles that traders like. You have to trade bigger than your average trading firm. Trade a little longer, but as the months have gone by this year, they've sort of made their rules better and easier, and they keep trying to make them better and easier. But yeah, that's definitely true. So with the boot camp, we wanted to kind of disrupt the industry. Somebody asked me earlier on Twitter, they go, do you do any mentoring? And I was like, I absolutely don't do any mentoring. The boot camp is the closest that it is, and it's really just to support the trading platform. Why I don't do mentoring? I've had people offer me $10,000 a month. Hey, can you mentor me? And there's a simple reason why I don't mentor. That's I don't need a job. I'm a very successful day trader. I'm a very successful businessman, and it's not worth my time to work for $1,000 an hour. It's not worth my time. So the idea is why I've never mentored like one-on-one. Is that you wouldn't be able to afford it, but I wouldn't care to do it either. I don't want to go get a job for money. My time, I would charge $10,000 an hour if I were mentoring. So then nobody would buy it. The metaphor there is anybody that mentors traders needs the money. I like the quote from the Futures for Our Future is that Jeff Bezos wouldn't open a lemonade stand because the value of his hour is too much to really do that kind of work. Which is why I poke fun at some of the gurus and their $10,000 boot camps and stuff is because they need the money. And I actually don't need it. And the boot camp is only $20 to support the employees that manage it. So I actually don't even charge for it. It's a supportive service of the platform. And if you don't have the platform, then it's just $20. If you buy the platform, boot camp is free, Discord is free, everything's free. I don't nickel and dime a trading community to make income. I'm one of the few successful traders out there. And why the boot camp's only $20? Because it has to be worth something to pay the employees so that we're net positive there. But also, if you don't pay something for it, you won't take it seriously. That's a value. The perception of value is that principle there. If somebody hands you a free sample of something, half the time you're just going to throw it away. It's free. Free is valueless. It's worthless. There's no, you didn't pay anything. There's no investment. If you just invested $1 in something, you're in. You have a different attachment to it. That's your money on the line. So if you pay $1 for class, which is really why it was set that way, $1 a class, the minimum we could go, then you're like twice as likely to care about it and really pay attention because you paid something for it. You know, here's an example. Every park in your city probably has a free gym. Like they've got bars, push-up bars, workout benches, weights, things like that. There's a lot of parks have like, you know, places where you can go work out and it's free, but you don't go. But you'll go to the one you pay for, even though it's more expensive. And something that's free, you don't usually see it as that valuable. You don't have a lot of incentive to go. But when you pay for it, you have more incentive to go. It's a thing. And so for your training, $20 is like the cost of a book and stuff. So yeah. But yeah, so we never really, the boot camp was always $20. It'll always be $20, $1 a class. And I don't mentor. I know a lot of people are like, man, I'll pay you anything to mentor. And I was like, I still want to do it. Like $50,000 a month, $10,000 an hour. You know, like. So that's kind of the thing. And yeah, so just be out there. Anybody that's mentoring traders, they need the money. If you're selling an hour of your time for $200, then you're making $200 an hour. you're making a couple $100,000 a year. When you're pulling 8 figures a year, you know, you're making 20,000 an hour, you know, things like that, you know. So start to value people's like sales pitches and trading as to what their time is worth. A lot of these scroungers are trying to scrounge up 100K a year salary to pay their bills, trying to sell courses, discords, whatever. We've always been very like light on that. So our stuff is pretty like we developed the platform. So our whole service is the trading platform and the tools, right? But yeah. Can you, yeah, if you take the bootcamp without the software LM, you're totally, the bootcamp teaches basic principles of risk management position sites, and you don't have to have the platform or use it. You can just learn the strategies of how I trade inside of volume pivot. So if you have any other pivot or entry technique that you use, you can just use that. The bootcamp is like basic principles of good trading, of like good trading techniques and management, right? Yeah, the stream is like the mentorship, I guess, right? Yeah. When do you think the automated overnights will come out? So they're on the test server now, but they aren't working. And the guy that's building it is out all week because there was a death in the family. So I was supposed to get something last week and then he's gone for the week. So $99 is for the platform, Baron. $99 for the first month of the Rocket Scooter platform and the tools. And then $159 every month after. That's just for software, the software fee. And then if you're using the software, Discord access becomes free as part of the that. It's futures close Rio for the DD bands. It's Globex close. So 4 p.m. Central. Good question. Good question. 10K an hour. That's a steal. Mentor, and he went for $3. Yeah. We wanted to make the most memorable bootcamp trading experience for traders and then have it be the best value to win on all fronts. It's more like a fuck you to the gurus out there that trying to make a 6-figure salary. Like I make single 6-figure trades sometimes, you know, it's like there's leaks, there's levels to this game for sure. And I told the person I was talking to, they were like, do you mentor? I'd love to mentor with you. And I was like, the fact that I don't, and the fact that I wouldn't even accept an offer should tell you how real I am about trading. The person's like, oh, I never thought of it that way. I was like, if people are willing to mentor you, they've got time on their hands and they need a job. I was like, I never needed a job, so I don't really do it. And they go, oh, that's kind of cool. I was like, but I do the boot camp, which is like the closest thing to it. It's exhausting, so I don't do it all the time. I do it every 2 months, and you know, we have to watch recorded videos. So I'm so tired at the end of the day. I'll lose my voice. But the software, if you guys are students or college students or high school students, we do have a software student discount to make the software only $20 and everything else is free. If you're a student in high school or college and you can prove it, even an adult taking night classes, I want to inspire people to further their education. So if you're going to school, our whole service is $20. So a lot of people don't know that. We subsidize your platform cost if you are going to school, even if you're going to a night class. Do you get the discount now? No, when you start. When you start. Does it plot the expected diagram every day? Yes, it does. Every day. Yeah. Kim Mello says the people that have done the bootcamp have learned the system are able to understand the program, or is it pretty intense and complicated for the average person? Average people, speak up. How many of you identify as an average person? If in this channel your pronoun is AVG, speak up. And the average person comprehend, and is it easy to follow? Who identifies as average? Okay. Well, David's like below average a little bit. Is your pronoun AVG? Let's hear it. 7 inches average, 7 inches around. Let's go. No, seriously though. Is it easy to follow for the average person? The descriptions of why things work go with the boot camp. You can absolutely ignore why things work. I go into the detailing of the complexity of what's going on under the hood, but that's so that people don't know they're getting bamboozled with a just buy the line, trust me, bro, this works every time sort of speech that people give. It's like, here's kind of what we're exploiting, but then I also try to explain it in a way that's easy to understand with metaphors and stuff. But the technique is fairly straightforward. It's betting strategies. To get the student discount, you send me a message in Discord. I get to them over the weekend. You send me your picture of your government ID, your student ID, and a tuition bill or proof of enrollment somewhere. If you're under 18, just send me your driver's license and your student ID. I'll assume you're still in school. And that's it. And it's honor system. Whenever you graduate and get on your feet and make enough money to stay on your own, it's not even like the day you graduate, you have to worry about it. Like, we want you to get your life together, get your life organized. And then after you graduate, get yourself a place to live, start your life up, put some money in the bank, save up, then come back and pay full price or whatever. Just let me know, hey man, I graduated 6 months ago, got my shit together, got some money saved up to trade with. Life's good, paying my bills, man. 24 years old, and I'll be like, great. And they're like, yeah, I'd like to pay full price now. Thanks for, all the help the last 5 years or whatever. I've always been cool like that. Just, we don't really stalk you or care. It's honor system. You can join the boot camp now. Yeah, you can. It's not too late. You're just gonna have some homework. Today, Saturday, Sunday, you got to catch up on 6 videos. Can I be consistently profitable from a mechanical standpoint? There's an element of discretion. It is a mechanical, statistical-based trading strategy, so it's 100% mechanical. Discretion only harms you further. None of my trades are off of feel. Purely statistical. The discretion is in position sizing, but you can also mechanize that in a way with some kind of logic. I give you some logic, but you can also, technically you can take everything we do and encode it into an algo. Yeah, if you buy the platform, you can listen to the bootcamp every time. If you're a lifetime member, every bootcamp is free. Yeah. A photo proof or documented proof? Document. You have to send me an ID and a student ID together. Yeah. Student discount makes the $200 a month platform $20 per month. The bootcamp is the $20 course energy bars trading. The $20 course is the bootcamp. They're the same thing. College is free in Europe. Really? So is there a strategy with it? Yeah, there is. The bootcamp goes over the entire strategy. Essentially, the map off to the side is my guide for the trades today. And this will say 1A, then I move my eyes up to 1A and my brain can make the decision. I can take a small trade with this confluence. I can sit out with the other confluence. And the example of that is the trade I took today. On S&P futures, this black dot on the legend is the open price at 9:30 Eastern. Okay. So the open price is here. I made that trade today. Right here. Somewhere down in here, I think. Yeah, I made it here. Longing at the open is trade 1A. To next resistance, wherever that resistance is. That white line is next resistance. So I look on here and I go, what is the next resistance I have? Technically speaking, longing here, the next major resistance is probably here or possibly here. Because we can break through this orange. I'm trying to skip some confluence. But essentially, I can choose to trade to whatever resistance I want, then I draw R&R on it. Forget the confluence. That's a whole nother thing. Betting that this breaks or whatever is a whole nother thing. But I can say, aha, I can buy it at 54 and close at 68. I can get 14 with a 10-point stop. It's a 1.4 to 1 trade, and I'll take the hit on it. This one says I can long at the open and next resistance, or I can long at the open and then add to it at orange. But the example here, orange is above, so it wouldn't apply. The idea is pretty much the same. You trade from pivot to pivot, and then you can draw out your trades and set your reward to risk plan based on high volume pivots, which is what it's doing. All right, you sent a Discord message. Okay, cool. Did we donate all those boot camps yesterday, right? Oh, well, let's give away 8 boot camps then. Well, 8 of you can come for free. Look at this. Our community is so crazy about like this. I love it. We have had people always donating money to buy boot camps for the strangers here. Like, look at this. So I'll match your $40 donations, E2. Thank you so much. With a $120 myself for $160 total donation to Rock Scooter, and then I'll get 8 boot camps out. So we have had 246 classes purchased for strangers by strangers. The 246 of you have come to this boot camp for free. It's crazy. About 8 more of you about to get to do it. Let's do giveaways today to celebrate another winning day. If you have not done the boot camp yet, type in free class, one word, and we'll give away 8 of these. So the student discount is for any country, man, anywhere around the world. I really, my saying is like, there's nothing better in this world than education. I know a lot of people that are entrepreneurs are like, college isn't for me. You don't have to go to college to get a job. That's true. Not these days anymore. But education is priceless. High school's not gonna really teach you a lot. High school is kind of lame. When are we recording the new video? You want to join again? The one in January is going to be new videos. Yeah. Cost of the software, if you purchase the bootcamp and software together are $99. The software comes with the bootcamp for free. $99 first month, and it's $159 every month after, and bootcamp is free. What was I saying before that? College doesn't teach you much either, unless it's a trade skill. Engineering is a trade skill. Science and math are skills or something. Anything that challenges you to think. College may not teach you a lot of real world skills, but college will put your brain in a place where you learn how to compete, how to follow rules, how to put your head down and do work. Oh, Evan. Oh, dang. Evan also donating money. Thank you guys. Really appreciate that. Evan, Kevin, Volkspart. Have you donated? Appreciate you guys. Okay, 12. We'll do 12 bootcamp giveaways. Cool. Okay, type in free class. It's become a tradition here that the members of the community buy the bootcamp for strangers. That's what they think about it. They're basically telling you guys, just trust us, try it, right? That's how everybody here is like, it's crazy. College is great for the challenge, as Wicked said, yeah. If you go to college for the challenge, it's great. School is great at getting you in the mindset of having to pay attention and study and put your head down to your work. It's the only times in your life you're actually able to do that. Most of you guys, let's face it, do like 10% of work at your real job and 90% killing time. And the work is so routine, it's not even challenging. The last time in your life you truly challenged your brain was probably school. School gets you in the right mindset to get ready to attempt to learn something new and to take on new challenges. So I always tell people, nothing is better in your life than getting an education. Although I try to stop it there, as an education doesn't correlate to your career or success in your career, or even the career you're going to do. Like, I don't do anything with my degree anymore. And I got the job, my first job out of school. I hated it. I was like, I have to do this for the rest of my life. This sucks. And so, you'll discover what you're willing to be good at. But if you never put your head down and worked hard at anything, you're going to fail at whatever you pick up. So school teaches you how to be that. So I always tell people, if you're going to school, or trying, since we're all a fan. Okay, I got you. I always say, if you're going to school at any point in your life, even as an adult with a job, night classes, there's nothing wrong with taking on an additional challenge on top of whatever you're doing that always shapes you as a person. It shapes you. Yeah, you wake up, take the kids to school, wake up and go to your office, or then you go to work, do your job. Then when you're done with your job, you come home and then you drive out to community college to take a class. That's shaping you, right? You are disciplined. You're working hard. You're trying extra. You're exhausted. You're tired. You're pushing through it. I have a soft spot for people in that boat. Ryan, thanks for the $4, dude. So we've always been really cool when it comes to like students. Students get hooked up. You have $3 in college, $1 million. Oh, bro. Yeah, no, 100%. Like that's what it is these days. All right, free class. So you have about 20 seconds to type in free class, and I'm gonna copy the participants' lists. Sometimes this appears in Spanish. Copiar participantes. Participantes. I don't know why sometimes it's in Spanish, but it's in Spanish right now. All right. Copy the names clipboard as of now. Okay, that's it. Oh, Chat GPT. Hello, Matt and Rocket Scooter. Have some names for you. Oh, type them in for me. Okay. Hold on one second. Let me get this going on here. Let me log in. Oh, let me log into this. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let me add them over here. Hold on, let me get ChatGPT here. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we shorting now? No. All right, ChatGPT, ready? Select. Oops. "12 random names from this list, please." You got your Whoosh fan on the screen. All right. Floki Roski, Vita, Ken, Taiyang, FX, Cashda NQ, or Cash.NQ, Ahmed, Coop, Delta Desk, Victor Kukin, gosh darn it. Victor, you're already in the boot camp. DP, Manjaneth, Pinnaker, Curse Trader, and hilarious. And we'll pick one more. Robert Grant Bruce. All right, congrats. And Victor. Victor gets a free ride in the boot camp all the time anyways. Slack's already grabbed it. Okay. All right. Those of you go to Discord, take a screenshot of your YouTube ID, send our admin Slacks a message in the contest channel. Let him know you won the boot camp and you're in. Can you give your boot camp away? Yeah, you can give it away to somebody. He'll give you a code, just give it to them. Gotcha. Okay. You can come. It's at 10 minutes after market close every day, Monday through Thursday. We don't do Fridays. And to catch up, everybody go to the Discord. There's a section, or go to your Rocket Place dashboard. There's a section with all your classes. You got to catch up to where we are by Monday. If you don't want to be super lost, we've covered 7 of the classes. Monday we pick up with covering what these bands are. So Monday's a good place to get started. You don't have to fully catch up, but you kind of want to get to at least class number 3. That's where you learn most everything in the first 3 classes. Did I upgrade the hardware on the stream? I didn't, but YouTube just recently upgraded. It's streaming. I think it. Oh, let me double check. I thought it was 1080p, but it might be streaming in 1400. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. So no, it's at 1080p. So now it's just 1080p, nice and crisp. Yeah, so looks like we rallied up to upper DD band. Look at that. Ooh, how beautiful is that? I don't know what this line is there for, but I don't think that needs to be there. Only wish I was longer, but hey, I'll take the P&L. That's been great. All right. Is it that time again? How'd you guys do? Did y'all take a long trade here all the way up to the top? Who long DD band? I'm just curious, you guys, because we like to get a little kinky on the stream. If you don't mind, do me a favor. You know, why don't you look down at your desk and whip it out for me? You know what I'm saying? Show me what you got down there. Pull it out of your pants. That wallet, I mean. Give me a little peek. What you got? Can you whip it out for me? Just pull it out of your pants, that wallet. Grab it. Nice job today, guys. Nice billfold, bro. Nice curve, bro. Very nice. Oh, that's funny, DM. Nice curve. The song never gets old. Let's check up on iDoc, make sure she's doing all right. Giveaway was this morning. Oh, sorry, my bad. Today is not ETF giveaway. Today is my Funded Futures giveaway. Sorry, let me retitle the stream there. And Funded Next and my Funded Futures. We'll do that in a couple minutes here. Hold on, give me a second. I got some important stuff to do. Nice curve, bro. Nice curve. Yeah, whip it out. All right. I like to do a little bit of giveaway action every afternoon, as we always do. That's not That's not. Where are you at? Heyo. All right. Toss in some fun to next love activity here. And also let you guys know I won first place in the BDH trading competition. I'll be competing in the Tradeify competition and the Ninja trading competition. Fun to next first. The full $10,000 prize from Pat Whelan. I've donated the entire thing to the community. I got a deal with My Funded Futures. I'll be giving away 315 accounts this month with them alone. To basically give the prize money away completely, give the whole thing to you guys. So that's my gift to this community. Let's hit 1 million views this month. You know, yesterday in the morning was the biggest stream we've ever had, morning views. Or we didn't stream all day, just the morning show. Normally, the last couple months was like 5, 6, 7,000 a pop. Yesterday was 9,500 people. Insane. Our channel has 500,000 views this month. It's crazy. Let's keep winning some trading competitions, all I gotta say. Great trades today off of Resilience Mode 2, close support up to DD band. That was fantastic. 170 points on Nasdaq. Who here got the full 170 points? I'm just curious. On that trade today. Did anybody go from here to there and hold it the whole time? That was nuts. That was a great run there. Ken did? Oh, hell yeah, man. Very nice. Very nice. You missed it? Your monitor broke? That sucks. St. M's help from the bottom of day to DD band? Dude. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's some balls right there. Hell yeah, holding all through all that all today. Man, you guys are awesome. That's the way to do it, baby. That's how we roll. Okay, let's load up some of that good old music here. Your eyes were hurting, that's why you didn't take the whole move. Somebody's a graduate of the Lance Poop Stain boot camp.
Well, the charts went silent in the
How many of these? What am I going to give away today? These are going to be Fund and X accounts. Fund and X Rapids are some of the best accounts in the industry.
free stuff song. He's got prop firm bounties in a burlap sack and a boot camp lasso slung across his back. Yippee-ki-yay, it's a giveaway bonanza. Rocket scooter master in up a stand.
Alex B. Rapids. 1 day to pass, 3 days to pay out. It's 4 days to pay out for 99 bucks. It's the quickest payout in all the prop space. It is by far the most popular account that we have. Of all of our codes being used by a factor of 2. Fund and X Rapid is the fan favorite of all prop accounts. It and now the new My Funded Futures Core are probably the 2 best prop accounts value-wise.
Folks say he can outtrade a rattlesnake's tail. Catching market moves like
New rule is active on this giveaway. That's right. If I don't see your name,
he don't ride horse,
then you don't win.
just
You got to type it in before the end,
drawing LP lines.
before the timer runs out.
Yippee-ki-yay, it's a
YFW. Oops, let me make this a little bigger here.
rocket scooter master in up a stanza.
Payout cap for Fund and X. Fund and X. No monthly fee, no activation fee, no payout cap, and no profit split. That's why they become the #1 selling prop firm of our codes by a factor of 2. I would argue that they're the most popular prop firm right now, period, in raw sales. across the big influencer base. Everybody I know is jumping on Team Fund and X because it's such a great offer for now. Like everyone loves the accounts. It's like everyone's favorite account now. The Rapids have a payment schedule that is different based on each one. And I don't know exactly what they are. Let me get the numbers for you for all of them. Where is the FAQ? Get you guys the numbers for it. I'll get y'all the exact payout schedules for each tier. Let me get that recovered. All right, Fabe show. Where the heck is the... Oh. Here we go. So the Rapid account is for the cycles. No, payouts. I'm looking for Rapid payout. Trying to find this. Oh, here it is. For Rapid, okay, this is it. I didn't know all of them, so it's 800, and then 15 and 2,500. So Rapid every 4 days, your payouts are going to be either 800, 1,500, or 2,500 every 4 days, right? So like my Fund and Futures core is now 3,000 every from start to finish, 3,000 after 7 days. Rapid is 2,500 after 4 days. All right, one more. Let's give away like 4 of these. And let's give away like 5 My Fund and Futures accounts after that, right? We give away about 1,000 accounts every month on this stream now. Well, this stream and My Fund and TV. And I might cut the stream out early, you guys. At 2, like an hour for market closes, I might cut out early. Go downstairs. I still got some time to check out the fencing and the turfing. Kev trades last winter. Do they all work with Trade-Evate? They all do work with Trade-Evate. All of these ones that we work with, yeah. Or hey. Kev trades. Do I like Teslas? Yeah, I do. Teslas are neat. I like them. The only time I've ever driven one was when I rented one as a rental car in New Orleans. It was kind of nice. Although it was confusing at first, knowing that the car was just, you just park the car and get out. You don't turn it on, you don't turn it off, you just get out. I was like kind of paranoid. I was like, did I leave the car on? They're like, no, you can't leave the car on. Just turns off on its own. I like because the interior is clean and nice. Like the lines are nice and neat. It's aesthetic. We haven't started my fun of futures yet. No, what happens is a lot of these people are just trolling or having fun with it. It's funded next, not my fun of futures. Was Kev here? Wait. Kev, are you here? Kev, are you here? I didn't see your name. Was that you? That Kev trades? Because it didn't trigger the bot. Hold on. All right, hold on. Because the name wasn't Kev Trades, it was .Kev Trades. There was a dot in it. There was a dot in there, bro. Wasn't it a dot, right? It was Kev dot trades. Yeah, it wasn't the same one. Doesn't count unless the Kev dot trades. You have to be exact. That's the rule. Even though I know it's probably you, it has to be exact. All right. We'll give away one more. We are at upper DD band, liquidity pocket, S&P. Nasdaq resistance at 25,004. Curious how this day finishes out. Esther PR, you are the next winner. We'll do my fun of futures after this as well. Type something in, Esther. Type it in. Congrats, you guys all have 25K rapids with funded next. By far the fan favorite account here at the stream. Funded next is the fan favorite. Take profits is the second ranked fan favorite. I'm going to guess that by the end of next month, my funded futures core is going to start picking up some steam with the new add-ons. All right, Alex, YFW, Fave Show, and Esther. Congratulations. Let me tell you guys at the end of all of this. All right, a couple more. And I promise you guys we'll do some giveaways for the fun stuff that we did this month, which was whooping ass at the BDH tournament. My funded futures, you guys. Type it in, type it in, type it in. Do LP still hold true this close to upper DD? They can, yes. This can still be a move to the upside from here to finish out the day. Matter of fact, this can be a move that just blasts up there to finish out the day. Oh, hell yeah. See, YouTube gets so weird when it's like throttling people's chat. I don't know why YouTube hates it. Maybe because it thinks you're saying F you. I don't know. Are you guys breaking like... So, no, YouTube has been bugging out lately when you guys have been typing MFFU in chat. YouTube's been throttling chat. Yeah, that's the thing. Yo. What's up? What you got? Dang, homemade Chinese food. Where'd you get that from? Egg roll and what's that?
Dumpling.
Dumpling? Cool. Where you get that from? No, you got that from yesterday. You're supposed to say I made it from scratch.
I made it from the... Don't ask where from.
That sounds pretty delicious. Can you put this in here for me while you're up there in the fridge? Yeah, you can have some.
I don't like Starbucks, man.
Are they done outside with the vents?
No, I haven't checked. I got home. What's your food? I think they're out.
Break?
Yeah. They haven't started fixing that one. One on the left. I think they're just right one. I need emails.
Dude, it's throttling chat, man. It's so weird. Can you do me a favor since I took out the trash yesterday? Thank you. Thank you. You guys broke chat, man. I'm telling you.
What do they do?
I don't know. YouTube's getting all weirded out. Okay, stop typing for a minute, you guys, because it's YouTube. Let's let YouTube catch up. YouTube's like breaking. Oh, let me look at something real quick. Let me show you something.
Look at Victor being annoying.
Nah, Victor never.
Look at him! He's being freaking annoying! Someone banned the mod! Tyler says change the keyword.
Yeah. Oh, how is this even possible? Hold on. Look, hold on. Look.
What?
Yeah, it's weird. No clue.
Okay, well.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna change the keyword, you guys. Hold on. Maybe it doesn't like the fact that it's saying FU. Okay, we're gonna change the keyword. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Okay, and only type it once, because like YouTube's new filters are like spamming everybody's like text is not showing up. Okay, I'm gonna literally give y'all like 20 seconds. Day number 4 of giveaway of BDH prize, $10,000 giveaway to the community. You want to try that?
What will happen?
Huh? Do it and see. What?
Wait, that wasn't what I was expecting.
Here. What the hell, man? That's rude. Type in 1, 2, 3. All right.
I'm like a shade darker. So the last couple of days being outside.
Oh, being outside. All right. Spin the wheel. We haven't listened to all the new songs yet. I know we've skipped some of them. I'm just playing what I see in here. Hey, can you read out the winner?
Mike Hawk Smo.
Mike Hawk Smo.
Ooh.
I hate when the door is open.
Oh.
No, it's okay.
Mike Hawk Smo, you won. Haktua.
Haktua. Jay Tarmakoff. What are we doing tonight? What is something fun?
Like? Hey, chat, why don't you give us an idea of what we can do that's fun?
I'm gonna grind out Diamond on Apex. It sounds so much fun.
I like how he says we, but by we he means you and him, not me.
Let's go to that virtual VR thing or whatever, the game box or something.
I don't where all these come from.
That's so funny, Ryan. Thanks for the donation, brother.
You want to do the interactive?
Whatever, we'll talk later. D's nuts. Oh, he got you.
He also gave us $4.
2 for each nut. Netto. Hobbit Cafe for dinner? Dude, I haven't been to the Hobbit Cafe in so long. You remember that place?
No.
It's a burger place that's like Hobbit themed. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to go.
It's pretty good. They've got like 4 little restaurants in a little cluster.
I feel like Nito's one before.
Netto.
Goody Meow Wolf.
Houston. Oh, Meow Wolf? We went there, didn't we? Oh, yeah.
But I think they might have changed. Do Meow Wolves change their installations?
I don't know if they do.
A lot to install that stuff. Yes? I said yes. Val said yes.
Andretti's cool. Oh, that's kind of a drive there. Although we can do that, it'd be fun. What? G. Oh wait, like, it's so meta. Darb just dropped a song for you. This is for you.
Me.
It sounds like it's gonna be a good one. He literally got this song, wrote and produced it right before our very eyes in the last 5 minutes.
What a banger.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Unibester.
Why? Did you have to pay the program extra to be explicit?
All right, all the winners. All the winners from the previous one and this one. All right. Congrats. Over. Contest done. All right, winners. Come yank on these nuts, you fake. I like it. It's good. All right, winners, do me a favor. Go to my Discord. Link in the description below the video. Take a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Send it to an admin named Slacks. You can find him in the contest channel of our Discord. You have 1 hour to send him a message and let him know you won the contest. Make sure you have accounts with My Funded Futures or Funded Next, depending on what you won. Already have an account there? You send the email address of the account and it'll hook you up with your account. The system is rigged, LOL. No boot camp on Friday, Matt Evans. Nothing Fridays. We give you guys Fridays off.
The son of your...
Wendy wants your selfie. Wendy's these nuts hit your face, you flee. Guru's the best mentor. All for these nuts, you mentor, tormentor. Mind goblin trading guru whispers real low. Mind goblin these nuts, cause I steal the show.
That's a banger.
These nuts all over the charts. Matt's dragging these nuts, tearing them apart. Guru's gobbling the market, slobbering on these nuts.
My cock smalls one so much, your family started wondering why you keep saying that.
Smooth.
I'm cramped. I need a massage. Where are you gonna take me? Oh, I mean, you can do it too. What are you holding on to there? Basketball? What's in your hands? Is it what's supposed to be a massage? That's how you do it? Hut! Down! Sit! Hut! Maybe massaging a football there? Like, what's going on?
It went from a foot massage to holding onto an imaginary ball.
Yeah, we should go to like the spa, man, and get like a relaxing. Hook me up to spa. And you. What do you say?
You want to? Oh, what?
Yeah.
Trellis?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Today?
Sunday. Any day.
Okay. Maybe next week. We can try Sunday, but I didn't.
Morning, night, don't care.
Really?
Yeah, whatever they got.
Evening?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go drink a few bottles of champagne in our bathrobes and sit in the hot tubs and get pampered.
They're not gonna work through the weekend, right? They're gonna wait until Monday to come back. We don't have the weekend. We're not here.
Want to picture that fence? Yeah, as soon as they're done something with it, I'll go get it.
Oh, he gave me some stain samples.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna wrap up the show and get out of here, and I'll come down and hang out with you guys. Whenever y'all are done, I'll probably close down in like 5 minutes. You auditioning for a K-pop band? Hey, question.
Huh?
Have you been looking at the sample D's? Sample D's. Wait, what?
You're done. I'm
Okay.
gonna ban him.
Hey, can you did you already order the flavors? Did you get that kind?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
I was waiting for these nuts. Sorry, that was a serious question. Yeah, no, it was a even exchange plus a little bit more for the material.
I was trying to
Incorporate that.
it didn't work.
No,
I
try
tried.
something else.
Okay,
Try something else.
I'm out of ideas today. Any Battlefield this weekend? Yeah, probably today, tomorrow. We'll just chill. Some Battlefield. Simon, I'm like Platinum 2 right now on Apex. I've been trying to get Diamond so I can just do it this season. And
Can
be done
y'all
with
just
it.
release him so he can finish this project, and then I can give him back to you, and he can play Battlefield for as long as he wants, for as many months as he wants. I just need him
Hell yeah.
this week.
If you guys want to play Battlefield 6, we have like a gaming channel in the Discord. A lot of us get online. There's maybe like a solid group of like 20 of us. We rotate. There's always people playing. So Apex and Battlefield, Call of Duty, whatever. Gaming channel in Discord. It's public, so anybody can join it. All right, we'll see you later. See you later, iDoc. I think that's a wrap. Predictable trading day is over. This is really nice. I forgot how much this is. I didn't really. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 3, 26, 3, 27, 28. Cross my Fund Index and my Tradeifys. Today will be my 4th payout with Tradeify this week. I'm getting so close to the finish line. I've got to pay out every single day. I should be getting another one today. If not today, tomorrow. All my accounts are staggered so I can get payouts whenever they hit their target day. Consistency rule is just a rule that prevents you from getting your entire balance in a single trade. So an example of 50%, it means that your balance, your biggest trade can't be more than 50% of the total balance. So the example is you have a $10,000 profit target and you had a $6,000 trade. Then your second trade would be 4,000 hit the profit target. And therefore you'd fail the consistency rule. What they then do is make you have to trade longer. If you make 6,000 in one trade, then you have to make 6,000 in the second, which means you actually need 12,000 instead of 10 to hit your profit target. So consistency rule limits how big your trade can be to not have to trade extra money or extra days. 20% consistency rule, for example, means that your biggest trade can be more than 1/5 of your total. So an example of how you would do it, like with $9,000 on Tradeify at 20%, it's $1,800 a trade to hit your target at 20% consistency. That's it. Tradeify's payouts are 3,000 pop. So I'm just inching towards, I've made 70, I think 70. I think I made 72,000 in payouts with Tradeify, something like that. So I need to get to 80,000 so they can put me to live. Like I'm in like the last couple of weeks of Tradeify before I go live. So I'm about to get up to 80,000 this year in payouts, just for Tradeify. Market session close up. That's my prediction. All right, guys, I love y'all. I'm gonna get out of here and go help them with the project downstairs. Sorry I can't get to all y'all's questions, but I'm gonna try to catch these guys before they finish up. Did the payouts increase to 3,500? I think just the first one. All the other ones are still 3,000. The ones I've been getting are still 3,000. However, I've had these accounts for 1,000,000 years, so these are the old accounts before they made the rule change. So if they changed the rule, I don't know if I qualify for it, but I don't think they changed the rule, did they? I think it's still 35 for the first one and 3,000 for each other one. I don't think they changed that, but these accounts are 3,000. I can guarantee that. Oh, because I have the old. So did they actually change the rule? Is it all 3,500 each payout now? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've had these accounts since March. So I'm still on the old system. Yep. Love it. Okay, guys, we'll see y'all later.